Understanding Sound Library, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase in the English language, sound library. This term might sound straightforward, but it has a depth of meaning that's quite interesting. So, let's dive in and understand what a sound library really is. Sound library is a compound noun, made up of two words, sound and library. Let's look at each word separately. Sound. This refers to anything that we hear. Music, noise, voices, etc. Library. A library is traditionally a place where books are kept for reading and research. When combined, these words create a new meaning. A sound library isn't about books. It's about a collection or repository of sounds. Sound libraries are used in various fields. 1. Music production. Musicians and producers use sound libraries to find different instrument sounds or effects. 2. Film and video games, for creating ambient sound or special effects. 3. Education and research, used for studying different sounds, like bird calls or language samples. In each case, the sound library provides a valuable resource for audio content. In today's digital age, a sound library is often online or in digital form. This means you can access thousands of sounds with just a few clicks. Digital sound libraries are essential for efficiency. Quickly find the exact sound you need. Diversity. Offers a wide range of sounds from different cultures and sources. Convenience. Accessible from anywhere, at any time. I hope this video has helped you understand the concept of a sound library. It's a fascinating blend of technology, art, and information, providing endless opportunities for creativity and learning. Keep exploring and enjoy the world of sounds. See you in the next video.